Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Gemini Advanced activity tracking in Google account, complete guide step by step clearly. To disable Gemini Advanced activity tracking in your Google account, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google homepage. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture or initial. Select Manage your Google account from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, click on Data and Privacy. Scroll down to the Activity Controls section. Click on Web and App Activity. You will see a toggle switch for Web and App Activity. To disable tracking, click the switch until it turns gray. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Read the information provided, then click Pause. Next, return to the Activity Controls section. Locate Location History and click on it. You will see a toggle for Location History. Click the switch to turn it off until it turns gray. A pop-up will again ask for confirmation. Click Pause to finalize disabling Location History. Now, return to the Activity Controls once more. Find the section labeled YouTube History. Click on YouTube History to access those settings. Again, you'll see a toggle switch. Click the switch to turn it off. This will stop tracking your YouTube activity. Now that you've disabled Gemini Advanced tracking, review any other settings in the Data and Privacy section if needed. Finally, ensure all changes are saved. Close the settings page once you are finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.